By the way, array initialization of automatic variables as done in my function A was illegal in the older K&R, that is Kernighan and Ritchie C, and only came of age in the newer ANSI C. A fact that may be important when one is considering portability and backwards compatibility. As long as we are discussing the relationship or difference between pointers and arrays, let's move on to a multi-dimensional arrays. Consider an array, for example, char multi 5 of 10. Char multi of 5 by 10. What does this mean? Well, let's consider it in the following light. Char multi of 5 by 10. Let's take the underlined part to be the name of an array. Then, prepending the char and appending the 10 in square brackets, we have an array of 10 characters. But the name multi of 5 is itself an array, indicating that there are 5 elements, each being an array of 10 characters. Hence, we have an array of 5 arrays of 10 characters each. Assume we have filled this two-dimensional array with the data of some kind. In memory, it might look as if it had been formed by initializing 5 separate arrays using something like multi of 0 equals in braces 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All the elements are in single quotes. Multi of 1 equals in braces A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. All the elements are in single quotes and all are lowercase letters. Multi of 2 equals in braces A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. All are in single quotes and all the elements are uppercase alphabets. Multi of 3 equals in braces 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. All the elements are in single quotes. Multi of 4 equals in braces J, I, H, G, F, E, D, C, B, A. All the elements are uppercase alphabets and all are in single quotes.